Yeah, I don't think that's happening. Welcome to South Florida. It's sunny one minute, it's raining and storming and hailing the other minute. I was really looking forward to bringing you guys by my new listing and showing you guys a full content day. One of our newest flips, one of two, that recently just got completed. Got it staged yesterday, took photos today. A lot of people try to make it look easy. We've encountered so many different challenges with doing this project. It's really exciting to be able to bring it to the market and show you guys what it takes and what it requires to go from no improvements to what we're standing in today. So coming through with this listing, I'd like to start off with just all of the modifications we've made, all full impact windows. A lot of these homes, the way how they're built was just one picture panel window. We opted to go a little bit modern and we divided up the space a little bit. Immediately behind you, the kitchen completely, quartz countertops, high-end stainless steel appliances, built-in microwave drawer, slow close cabinets. You have your formal dining room and a small sitting area back here. Coming through right off of the living room space, we have the master bedroom. We did make some modifications here. You have the hi-hat lighting throughout. You see our stage furniture here. Come into the bathroom, check it out. Not anything from Italy, none of that crazy stuff, but just clean, smooth, straight lines, minimalist design. One thing I really like about this property is the parcel itself sits on just under 10,000 square feet. You don't really find parcels that size in any of the newer communities. A lot of the luxury buyers in the market that I see nowadays, especially in East Boca Raton, they don't want anything that needs work. They want it turnkey, ready to go. Hope you guys like it as much as I like it. I think we did a banger job. You guys tell me, leave the comments and reviews. So all in, this was probably $115,000. We bought it for $590,000. The only thing I could say I regret, the owners that we bought it from, we opted to give them a 30-day lease back so they could move out. We weren't the highest offer, we weren't the most competitive offer, but we acted with compassion and we worked with them to relocate closer to family. But that 30 days that we gave them ultimately really killed us in as far as getting in here as quick as possible. But in all, we were able to get this done in about 3 months, which is really great timing because we timed it perfectly coming in on market right around the summertime where families are out of school, they're traveling, potentially floating the idea of finding a larger house. The funny thing is, both of the renovations I'm doing in this neighborhood right now, this is 1 out of 2, but both of these investments, I actually passed it on to my investors first, and I don't compete with my investors, but when they turned it down, I still saw the opportunity as a resident for the neighborhood. And wait till it's sold, I'll show you the proof is in the pudding. Let's go. Woo! Guys, welcome to 1414 Southwest 5th Avenue. I was not kidding when I said welcome to South Florida. It was just raining a second ago. Now it's freaking sunny. Rainbows, butterflies. I can hear the birds singing. Come check out 2 of 2. We just left 1 of 2. This is 2 of 2. Everyone likes a finished product, but I'm bringing you guys in for a sneak peek on some real crazy demo, renovation, crazy stuff. Come check it out. So I'm super excited for this project. If you know anything about me, I love fishing, I love boating. Believe it or not, this is my first house that I bought on the water. Coming in, we have everything completely demoed out. We're raising the ceilings, we're modifying things, we're moving things all the way around. You guys saw my last project at 1780. Believe it or not, 1780 looked just like this at some point in time. What I really like about this property, the seawall was brand new, recently completed. If you're familiar with houses on the water or anything with seawalls, you know how expensive seawalls can be. The house is already completely done with impact windows. Unfortunately, with some of our plans and the blueprints that we acquired, it caused for us to modify certain impact windows. But my partner on this deal, thank God he's a vendor, so it's not too bad at all. And that's one thing I'll point out to a lot of you guys watching this video. Network with the right people. Build relationships with the right people because you're only as strong as your team behind you. And every project requires a different level or different version of you and different value they could bring into your life and just build together. But in all, we're adding a bonus room where we put in a cabana bath. We're gonna be opening up plans, blueprints here, opening up powder bath, huge walk-in closet we added. We're gonna be adding master bathroom, raising the ceilings a little bit higher. If you're familiar with Boca, you know any of these traditionally built homes all have really, really low ceilings, and it doesn't really compete with any of the new construction homes that have really, 10, 15-foot ceilings. And this is why we're here, man. This is why a lot of people live East Boca, is the water, the smell of the ocean breeze. You park your boat, you put it on a boat lift. So just a quick overview on this project, just like 1780. This project, originally sellers came on the market 1.6 million. It took 4 months of back and forth communication to basically close this up at 1,150,000. Coming into this deal, we're looking to probably add in 250,000 in renovations. And in all, we're looking to clear probably 2.1 million. But I can't wait to show you guys the finished product here and just some of the designs, the concepts that we're incorporating into this project. It's gonna really be amazing. I really appreciate you guys tuning in with me on this today and following me along. If you're an investor, a realtor, and you're looking to learn more and get into this space, give me a call. I have anytime. I'll be happy to sit down with you and just give you guys the inside scoop on, you know, how we go from 1780 to projects like this, acquiring properties, and really just teaching you guys what it takes and what to do on the back end to be successful.